This is my beautiful new listing in Monroe. Monroe was named after Marilyn Monroe in the late 1960s. No, that's not true at all.
Cream of the crop with Lalo cream.
It may be another January in Seattle, but my heart is full of sunshine and light because of this brand new listing in Monroe. And wow, what a house this is. It's absolutely fantastic. This is like MTV Cribbs sort of style, and I love it here. So tell all your friends. Need a fabulous place to work, to do your deals, to negotiate and demand things? Well, this is a nice place for that kind of thing. Once you've got things done, you can swoosh and sweep down your beautiful wide hallway. Look at this, a whole extra room. I mean, you could make this a cool music station room. It could be where the children come to hang out and play games. It could be a disco room. Disco room could be good. And you've got another bathroom off to the side, a big staircase over there. And then we get to the real heart of the home. Look at this. This is living. Don't you think? Look at this giant island. It's less of an island and more of a continent. A kitchen continent is what it is. Tons of storage space, loads of beautifully well thought out built-in appliances, everything you need for a yummy, yummy din-dins. And then of course we've got all of that out there, which I'll go into in a minute. But look, a butler's pantry. How does Madam prefer her cocktail? Shaken or stirred? Hopefully shaken, because that's what I'm doing. And being from the land of butlers as I am, being, you know, because I'm English, I just think this is a wonderful little touch. I should stop that. This is a wonderful little touch to have this room off to the side just for your wet bar, for making all your cups of tea. And we've got loads of pantry storage there. Obviously, we can luxuriate by the indoor fireplace. I mean, why wouldn't we? Especially on such a gloomy Juney day like today. It's lovely in here. But if we do want to venture into the great outdoors, we're not going to get cold, no. Indoor meet outdoor. Indoor-outdoor living is the best. Nothing beats bringing the environment in and out of a home, and this does it perfectly with these great pocket doors. Here we are upstairs, and yes, yet another fab living area. Here's the primary bedroom. Oh, so much room. You could have a dance party in here. You could have a dance party in this closet. It's massive. And then we have the ensuite, which is pretty sweet. Oh yeah. It's a nice shower as well, isn't it? It comes down like it's raining out of a cloud. You know when you want to keep your countertop nice and clear, but you still need to have all your devices for blow jobbing. Blow drying. Oh. Let's leave the primary side and the living room upstairs behind, where we find we've got a really good sized bedroom here with its own closet, and then across the way from this bedroom you've got a bathroom and laundry and places to put all your towels and linens. And then here we've got these two side-by-side rooms which feature their own ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. I mean, whoa, this house has 1, 2, 3, 4.5 bathrooms. That's not bad, is it? 4 bedrooms. Garage is great. Full 2-car garage, and it used to have a couple of motorcycles parked here as well. And it's got loads of power outlets everywhere. Oh, that's great. Park up, walk in, get a cocktail, see what's cooking, hang out inside or outside by the fireplace, have dinner, go to one of your media rooms for your parties. If you didn't want to stay here and have your dinner, then you could pop out to one of the wonderful restaurants in Monroe. There's loads, and it's such a nice part of Washington, Monroe. It's really beautiful. And if you're a motorcyclist like me, you'll probably enjoy hopping on Highway 2 and getting the hell out and into the mountains. And yeah, but it'd be nice to come home to this, wouldn't it? Beautiful. What do you think? Monroe Luxury Living, presented by me, Lalo Cream.
Cream of the crop with Lalo cream.